Today I'm making another simple and quick stir-fried tofu with wonton mee sauce for lunch. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 4 blocks of firm tofu for stir-frying, 45 grams of spring onion leaves cut into 1 inch in length and for garnishing, 2 tablespoons of crispy fried shallots, half tablespoon of tapioca flour, 1 tablespoon of tofu or fermented soybean. I am using the minced type, 4 tablespoons of wonton mee sauce, which is homemade, and 25 ml of water. The full list of ingredients is in the see more link. First, make the tapioca flour slurry. Add 25 ml of water to the tapioca flour and mix until well combined. Alright, set aside. Then, cut the tofu into bite-sized pieces. I am cutting it into 9 to 12 parts. Repeat for the rest of the tofu blocks. And set them aside. Switch on the heat to medium. In a non-stick pan, add all the wonton mee sauce and the tofu. Stir until evenly combined. Then, let it come to a rolling boil. This should take about 1 minute. After about a minute, the sauce is boiling vigorously. Add all the tofu and stir until evenly coated in sauce. Alright, this looks good. Add 50 ml of water and stir until combined. Cover the pan and continue to cook for 3 more minutes. Make sure to stir the tofu every 20 to 30 seconds to evenly cook it. After 3 minutes, the sauce is super fragrant. Give it a taste. Delicious. More seasoning can be added as preferred, but for me, it is perfect. Pour in all the tapioca flour mix to thicken the gravy. Stir until it is well mixed. Switch off the heat. Then add the 1 inch spring onion and half of the crispy fried shallots. Stir to mix them evenly. See, the gravy has thickened up so much. It will be delicious with rice. Dish it out onto a serving plate. Garnish with the rest of the spring onions and crispy fried shallots. Now our stir-fried tofu with wonton mee sauce is ready to be served. Let's eat! Very delicious. The tofu is tender and chewy, with a little bit of the tofu in each bite. The sauce is salty, sweet and rich. It goes well with the tofu. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somchit. Thank you and bye-bye!